Guys, welcome back to again for today's session. So in today's session, we are going to discuss about the aggregate function and text function in Excel. So what is aggregate function? Why we are using aggregate function? What aggregate function does basically, right? So I hope all of you keep on practicing and keep on growing, guys. So in previous video, we already covered up the basic tip and tricks like text to column, auto fit row and column, right? How to separate number and text. So this was a really great and very important topic which only covered up in the previous videos. So today's session we are going for the aggregate function. So first of all, we are going to discuss in detail about aggregate function, text function, how the things going to work. So aggregate function basically summarize the values. Like I have a certain set of data. मेरे पास कोई एक data है उसमें से मुझे suppose employee की maximum salary निकालनी है. Who getting maximum salary? Who getting minimum salary? Total of the salary. Okay, and count average. So in that case we're going to use the aggregate function, right? Text function, what is text function? Text function क्या काम करता है? Text function हम क्यों यूज करते हैं? So text function suppose कोई text मुझे अपर आई मीन कैपिटल लेटर में लिखना है, स्मॉल लेटर में लिखना है, right? First letter capital, like suppose name, right? Suppose Ankit Singh, so Ankit I want a capital, Singh as capital, rest of the small. So that one we are going to see in the text function, how to search the text inside, right? The length of the text. There are various kinds of text function, which one we are going to discuss. So let's see practically how we go for. Suppose I just here merge and center, alt H see, and here I just writing aggregate function in Excel. Same aggregate function you are using in SQL. Okay, even you go into Power Query in Power BI, DAX function. Okay, everywhere you're going to use this one. So once you understand one, so it's easy to for you carry forward to the next topic. Okay, like once learning Power BI, so that one you already familiar with this. Alternate HBA for all border. In the previous video, I taught you guys. So again, I just prepare certain data. Like here, I take a serial number as dot and now, and give it the numbers here. Drag a sample. Filter is here. I give an employee ID, name of the employee, and salary. Okay, select this all and Control B for bold. Here, I mention like E001. Hold it, simple drag it. And here I mention some name of the employee, like here I given Yash Kumar. Here I given like Ankit Singh, Pooja. So like this, you mention all the name. Neha, Bhumi, Ria, Sachin. Here I define some salary, like as 30,000, 33,000, 55,000, whatever random you can give anyone. Okay. Even you can use random between as well. No problem. And give it 10,000. Here, like maximum salary, write all from minimum salary, sum of the salary. Okay, average of the salary. ABC. Count. Again, I will select. alternate HB on water applied as control B equals to max. Enter. Select this. Close the bracket. Enter. So 55 is the maximum salary in this you can see guys, right? Again, I will go for the minimum. So equals to mean, right? Select this. So you can see minimum is 10,000 here. Sum of the salary, suppose I want to make a total for all of them. So equals sum fabric, even you can use alternate equals to, मैंने previous video में आप लोगों को बताया है, and average equals to average, and you have to select again top to bottom. So like this, enter. Again equals to count. So we're going to count how many number of employee, how many number of element as per data set. जो भी आपका data was 7, even you can match from here 7. यहाँ पे भी 7 ही आ रहा. Okay. So this is where you can summarize your data. Sorry, with the help of the aggregate function. I hope you guys understood. Now next, again you can rename this one. Okay. Here you can rename aggregate function. Okay. See, once you learn in Excel, then you go to the SQL server, then again aggregate function come in front of you. Once you go to the Python is called built-in function where some of them you are going to use. Okay. Same way, you go for the Power Query. In Power Query, I mean in Power BI, once you learn Power Query, in that case, you're also going to familiar with the aggregate function. In DAX function, you're also going to be aggregate function, right? So in that situation, you're already aware to that what is aggregate function. So aggregate function always summarize the value column by. Okay. You not feel like that you don't know what is aggregate function. Okay, guys. So I hope you understand or understood well what is the aggregate function in Excel. Okay, guys. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much. Take care, everyone.